Alright friends, welcome to the second video of JavaScript operators. And as I mentioned in the last video, we're going to be talking about JavaScript comparison and logical operators. If you look at the operators, the equal to sign looks like this, equal value and equal type looks like this, not equal to, not equal value, not equal type, greater than, less than. I promise this is going to make more sense once we do some kind of programs related to these expressions. And there's an entire video series devoted to logical and comparison operators, so just hang in there. This is just an introductory section, and I'm just trying to explain what kind of expressions are available for your disposal. Greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and ternary operator. And we're going to try to manipulate with them, and we're going to try to determine how we can use them in our program. All right, this is all. Okay, let me just make sure that you can see this. Yes, the ternary operator. What else do we have? Yes, this is about it. Okay, we also have the JavaScript type operators. Type of returns the type of a variable, and instance of returns true if an object is an instance of an object type. All right, so these are the two kinds of logical, comparison, and type operators, and I'm going to devote an entire video series to these operators and use them in my program. All right. This is another kind of table that I wanted to share with you before I get on to programming. These are some ground rules that I wanted to share: the logical comparison operators, the type operators, and now these are the precedence operators, like the order in which the computation is going to be executed. Remember, anything in an expression is always executed before. Okay, and this operator here in parenthesis, it's an expression grouping, and it is always executed before. Then you have member association here, person.name, which means like we do inner.html. We've done that many times. Like we do this document.get element by id, which means that get element by id belongs to document. Okay, and .inner html belongs to get element by id. So this is a member association thing going on here. And then another way to do it is member. Again, we've done this many times, and I believe, yeah, get element by id demo, it's the same thing as this guy here. And then you have function call my function. We've used this before, but I have not explained this in detail. But the precedence operators, they try to tell you that which expression is going to be executed before. So this is written in the order in which it will be executed. Anything in the if you have a whole JavaScript statement that ends in semicolon, and it has this expression, and then it has this expression, then it has this expression. So this one is going to be executed first, second, third. That's how they're all arranged in this table. Okay, so the fourth precedence is my function. The fifth one is new date. Okay, so the fifth precedence is for new date. And then you have plus plus, which is postfix increment, I plus plus, which means you're trying to add another variable to I. Then you have postfix decrement, you're trying to take one element away from I. Then you have prefix increment, plus plus I. This means adding one increment after, and this means adding one increment before. Same goes for the prefix decrement. Okay, you have minus minus 1. Then you have logical not, not x is equal to y. Type of x, which we did in the previous table. Then you have multiplication, that is solved next. So if you're looking at all of these are solved in this order. Okay, it's very nice to have this table handy so that you understand in what order you need to write your expression. 10 times 5, and then you have division, 10 divided by 5. Then you have module division, 10 mod 5, exponentiation, which is 10 to the power of 2. Then you have addition, 10 plus 5. Then you have subtraction. Then you have shift left. I'm going to explain all of these when we use them in actual programming. I'm just introducing them right now. Then you have shift right, shift left, less than, which is very common, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, strict equal, unequal, strict unequal. Okay, just having you appreciate the kind of operators that are available. Ampersand, which means and, x and y. All logical operators are like that. And then this double line here is or, x or y. And then you have is equal to, which is assignment, x is equal to y, plus is equal to is another assignment, x plus equals to y, minus equals to is another assignment, x minus equals to y, and multiplication equals to x multiplication is equal to y, mod equal to no, division divide by equal to x divided by equal to y. So all of these are nothing but JavaScript operator precedence values. Alright, so I just wanted to introduce them a little bit to you. Up next, I'm going to talk about arithmetic, more arithmetic questions to solve, solving bigger equations, bigger expressions using JavaScript, similar to algebra. Alright, I'll see you in the next video in JavaScript arithmetic.